And then, yeah, I'll just bring up the disclaimer thing. Actually, now we know the disclaimer off the top of our heads. We don't need to do that. So let's try this the way that we said we was going to do the disclaimer. So I'll let you start off, Ninja.
Sure. Okay, guys, welcome to a new episode of The Game. So, disclaimer, first and foremost, in case any of you guys were wondering, neither myself, Mr. Harding, or anybody associated with our brand Blockchain Sensei are financial advisors.
Yep. We may look like them, we may sound like them, we may give better advice than accredited financial advisors. We've kind of gonna have to legally, for legal reasons, say that it's just a coincidence that we were right with everything we said in January. It's a coincidence that we were right with everything we said in February. It's a coincidence with everything we said in March. It's a coincidence everything we've ever said. So yeah, everything's for educational and entertainment purposes only, because all investments
come with risk. If you are unable to mitigate the risk, please seek advice from an accredited financial and or legal advisor. If you don't know a financial advisor, we happen to know one. We can point you in the right direction. Again, all investment comes with risk, and all our content is for information and mainly entertainment purposes only. It is only a coincidence if past episodes we said we think the price is going to get to this, and if it went to there, it's complete coincidence.
And in regards to that, we might as well start off with something that I posted on the Blockchain Sensei Instagram, which I think is a great way to start the show, because all of you and anyone watching this should be watching our Instagram, because we post lots of game there. And then secondly, we should also be all subscribed to our YouTube channel, which is Blockchain Sensei. So let me just go to something on the screen. Hopefully you can see it, and then press this. Oh, it's not even letting me do the stories. Okay, I posted it on my one. I am Mr. Harding Instagram. Here we go. I posted it on mine. Oh, it's private. I can't even show it. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. Ignore me. I was just going to show you that our number one student got a 21x on his portfolio, and he's only been doing it since March. So it kind of shows that it's worth paying for lessons, because, 21x, it's not bad. But yeah, that didn't work. Right, Ninja, over to you.
It's okay. So yeah, anyone who isn't following Blockchain Sensei on Instagram and or Twitter and or TikTok and or subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do so. Hello, Debo. Welcome. You haven't missed anything so far. We just did a disclaimer about me, Mr. Harding, not being financial advisors. So during this episode of the game, I will be talking about a little bit about the Bitcoin stock to flow model, a little bit about on-chain crypto metrics, and we'll be having a look at some historical crypto market data. So let's get it. All right. Oh, also one more thing. We have an ebook online now. The link to that is in Blockchain Sensei bio. There we go. Fantastic. And that's only £10. That's our first digital product. If you feel like we've contributed enough value, please get yourself a copy. Okay. Hello, Josh. Just completing the intro. Oh no. OCZJH. Should we let this person in?
Yeah, go on, let him in.
Okay, cool. All right, welcome OCJH and Zoom user. Also, for those of you guys that don't know, on the 29th of October, we did our first ever paid event. We've never threw a paid event in our life before as Blockchain Sensei. It's a digital event where me and Mr. Harding talk about our top 10 altcoin picks, 5 altcoins each. This is a 2-hour Zoom. Let me just show you what it looks like. Shout out to everybody that's attended this. If I just go into my video, if we just go into our videos now, as you can see, this video has been viewed 40 times and is on a private link. So if you would like that link, please follow the Blockchain Sensei link tree. Again, link in Blockchain Sensei bio, and then you'll get access to this 2-hour video. Shout out to everybody that's purchased the copy and everybody that came. It went really, really successful. But yeah, let's just go ahead with today's lesson. Let's go. Okay. You let him in?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh,
AJ can come. That's fine. That's
oh,
fine.
it's my cousins in here. Hey, yes, Josh.
Wait. Okay. Oh, wait. Did I meet you?
Yeah. Today's lesson is going to be a bit tech heavy. So if it goes over your head, don't worry. This is just to kind of explain where we're going from here. Okay,
fantastic. All right, so let me just drop you guys the link because we're nice like that. Okay, Christian. All right, Miss Harding, I'm gonna let you let people in or out, okay? Or do you want me to be responsible for that?
I got it.
You got it. Okay, cool. So this, guys, is the Bitcoin stock to flow model. Now, what does this mean? Okay, so for those that are unaware, there is something called the Bitcoin halving. So let's have a read. Halving events will continue taking place until the reward for miners reaches 0 BTC. So the Bitcoin halving is to do with every single 4 years, the amount of Bitcoin that miners get decreases by 50% each year. So back in the day, 2008, 2012, you used to considerably get more Bitcoin for mining, and now you get less Bitcoin for contributing to the network, and it takes a larger processing power, right? 33 halving events every 4 years adds up to 132 years in total. Now, bear in mind, how many Bitcoin halvings have we had already? We have had 1, 2, 3 Bitcoin halvings. And if you didn't know, one of the Bitcoin halvings was earlier in 2020. So the basic theory is every single 4 years, a Bitcoin halving happens. There will be a Bitcoin halving happening every year for the next 132 years, and the last Bitcoin will be mined into existence by 2140, which none of us should be alive by that time. If so, that's kind of crazy. Defining science. So the basic theory of the stock to flow model is when Bitcoin, so the basic theory is, for example, in 2023, the price of Bitcoin will be over 100,000, right? Now, Bitcoin doesn't exactly follow the stock to flow model, but over the long term, it generally does. So let's have a look at the colors. So when we're up here, this green color, it means that we are around 600 to 400 days until the next halving. Now, the first halving was sometime in 2012 because that's when it hit 0. And as you can see, every time there's a halving, what happens to the price? Halving, price, halving, price. Somebody type in chat or answer to me by looking at this graph, what happens to the price of Bitcoin every halving, after every halving? Come on, 12 people in here learning. What happens to the price of Bitcoin after every halving? Basic fundamentals.
It jumps.
Yes, it does jump. It goes up in price. So it's just worth noting that the next Bitcoin halving should be sometime in 2024. And why is this important? Because historically speaking, all cryptocurrencies follow Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin goes up, everything follows. The basic crypto fundamentals is, historically speaking, and this is why we're going to have a look at some historical snapshots of cryptocurrency, is that Bitcoin goes up, then Ethereum goes up, then other alts go up. This rule is being defied as cryptocurrencies like Cardano sometimes like to do their own thing, especially cryptocurrencies like Hex. If you don't know what Hex is, it's one of crypto's biggest kept secrets. We have an episode on that. But some people say Hex is a scam. I think Hex isn't a scam. But anyway, some cryptocurrencies like Cardano and Hex like to do their own thing. But generally speaking, it is worth understanding. So right now, we're not following the stock to flow ratio. Ooh. Hello, George Brown in the place. Okay, welcome to the first part of this week's episode of the game. We're talking about the stock to flow ratio. So right now we are under the stock to flow ratio, but as you can see, historically speaking, we go under and then over, under and then over. So I think something crazy might happen with Bitcoin during this Q4 bull run. Again, that's the stock to flow ratio. How does it affect the price? I think there's nothing too important, but this is just something that I think is worth breaking down. It's not something that's law. Obviously, there are times where the Bitcoin price has completely breaks the stock to flow ratio. Do I believe we're going to go over the stock to flow ratio? Yes, at some point. As historically we have done, it doesn't make sense to just keep being under. Also, just to plug in the £15 replay again, I have actually sold most of my Bitcoin into alts, so I will be converting back. That's the Bitcoin stock to flow ratio. Sorry, the stock to flow model 101. Okay, so next, let's talk about something called on-chain metrics. Now, this is something which in my earlier days in cryptocurrency, I wasn't too focused on. I was just focused on fundamentals, which I think everybody should be. Then I started being focused on technical analysis. But I think on-chain metrics are arguably, if you're talking about long-term investments, something that is even greater than technical analysis. Okay, so this is a website called Bitinfocharts.com. Thank you, Coin Bureau, for sharing this. So let's just have a look at some on-chain metrics for some cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin. Okay, so transactions in the last 24 hours. As you can see, Bitcoin has had 260,000 transactions in the past 24 hours in terms of coins. So that's not fiat value. But compared to Ethereum, that's had 1.3 million transactions. Kind of insane, right? So a lot more Ethereum. That's kind of like, what, 5x? For those who don't know, there is a theory that there's going to be something called the flippening. So the flippening is where Ethereum overtakes Bitcoin. I do think that's happening. Let's just have a look at the market today real quick. Actually, let's take a quick break from on-chain metrics for a second. For those that don't know, Shiba is not going to go to 1 cent. It's not. I feel like I need to address this. I'm going to use this as a YouTube clip. I'm sure most people know this, but let's just do a quick 101 on why the price of the price. So the reason why the price of all cryptocurrency is the market cap, which is how much fiat currency is invested in the market divided by circulating supply. So yes, I know they're burning Shiba. How much are they going to burn? Let's just say they burned half the supply, right? If they burned half the supply, it would be 0.00014. You would then have to go to 10x from there to go to here, which is 0.0014, and then you would have to do another 7x from here. So from here to 1 cent, isn't that like 700x or something? It's just not going to happen. The market cap, where do I think Shiba's actually going to go? I would be very surprised if during this bull run, and I'm not saying it's impossible, Shiba is going to do anything more than 3x. if the market cap of Shiba gets to over 100 billion, I'm going to be very surprised. I don't think it's impossible, but yeah, it's not going to go to a cent. It's not going to happen. Okay, cool. So, yeah, the Ethereum flipping in is the theory that Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin, which just kind of makes sense at some point. And the on-chain metrics is something that indicates that that's something that might happen. So Ethereum, we've had 1.3 million Ethereum coins transacted in the last 24 hours. I believe, I could be wrong, that is all Ethereum bought, sold, and or sent. XRP, very reactive. Shout out XRP gang. 2 million coins. Litecoin, don't want to say too much. Been one of my favorites for a very long time. We'll cover, or we'll not even cover, but we'll see some Litecoin facts in historical snapshot data. 144 million. Okay, what we got here? Average transaction value. Guess this is cool. Reward per block. Now I'm not here to pretend that I completely understand what these things mean, but I think it is cool to peep game at what's going on, especially looking at the top 100 richest. So what you can do on this website, bitinfocharts.com, I've dropped the link inside here.
I got that one. Reward per block is what you get for mining a block if you're a Bitcoin miner.
There we go. I'm not one of those. I've never mined Bitcoin in my life, but where's something that's okay? Rich list. Okay, here we are. Right. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin rich list, because I think this is really, really important. So 51.32% of Bitcoin holders have less than 0.1% Bitcoin. So that's probably retail. Not financial advice, but I always tell people you want to be getting, in my opinion, at least 1% Bitcoin for the long term. Why? Because Bitcoin is the ultimate store of value. If we assume that Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million at some point between now and 2028, which is my prediction of when Bitcoin is going to get to $1 million before 2030, let's just go over that real quick. The price of cryptocurrency is the market cap divided by circulating supply. If or when the market cap of Bitcoin gets to $11 trillion, that's when the price of Bitcoin is going to be approximately $600,000. You understand? When the market cap 10x's, the price approximately 10x's. There is room for the price to change a little bit because of circulating supply, but pretty much when the market cap 10x's, the price will 10x. The market cap of gold is 13 trillion. Does it make sense for Bitcoin to match gold because Bitcoin is basically digital gold? Yes. When Bitcoin gets to gold market cap, if or when 13 trillion, the price of Bitcoin will be just under 700,000, leading to the conclusion that Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million and beyond, etc. So if you assume that Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million, 1% Bitcoin, 0.01, is a future $10,000, which less than 25% of the market have. 15.3% of the market have under 10% Bitcoin. Only 6.3% of Bitcoin holders have over 10%. I don't own 10% Bitcoin. I never have done. I hopefully will do by the end of this bull run, because I'm flipping a lot of Bitcoin into alts back into Bitcoin. Again, altcoin season, top 10 altcoins. Be sure to purchase your replay. Link in Blockchain Sensei link tree. I think this is also interesting. Okay, so 1.53% of Bitcoin is owned in one address. Is this Satoshi Nakamoto's wallet? Binance Cold Wallet? Okay, no. There's no way this is Satoshi's wallet.
How much does that work out to be? 17 billion.
Yeah, 17.7 billion.
Is that MicroStrategy?
It might be Michael Saylor's wallet. I'm sure somewhere here is Tesla / Elon's wallet as well. So, so the biggest Bitcoin holder has $17 billion worth of Bitcoin. They've got 288,000 Bitcoin. Wow, that is absolutely crazy. Okay, amazing. So one of the reasons why you want to have a look at on-chain metrics is a good
It might
indicator.
even be Grayscale, sorry. It might be the Grayscale Trust.
Maybe. Oh, you guys were not supposed to see that. You guys were not.
Don't be showing white papers, bro.
No, it's good. Let's close this. Let's close that. All right, where we are. Okay, cool. Yeah, me and Mr. Harding started to write white papers for other cryptocurrencies. We've been very busy. Bitcoin. So let's have a look at the rich list for Litecoin. What are you shilling Litecoin? Litecoin Grayscale Trust. Okay, most slept on cryptocurrency ever. Elephant in the room. Okay, so 7.22% of Litecoin is owned by one company or person. I'm going to assume Grayscale Litecoin Trust is one of these. I'm not even going to look into it, but I think that's kind of crazy. One person owns 5 million, just under 5 million Litecoin. There's only 64 million circulating supply right now. That's crazy. Okay, so I tell everyone, no financial advice. You wanna be owning at least one Litecoin because only 12.25% of Litecoin holders do. Everyone else, what is everyone else doing with 70? This is how you know retail aren't focused on the right coins. Litecoin's something that everyone should have in their portfolio, in my opinion. If you don't have a Litecoin, if you don't have one Litecoin, you're not serious. That's NinjaTea's opinion. If you don't have one Litecoin, you're not serious. And 20 at 26 at 17%, 46 at 17, 53%, 53% of Litecoin owners don't own a whole one.
That is disgusting, especially considering Grayscale has a trust for it. That is crazy. Well, how much is one Litecoin right now?
Not expensive.
I love that this is going to be documented in history that we told people once again, and it's going to be a coin.
Only $193.
And people haven't got one, and people are rushing into ship.
Over 50% of Litecoin holders don't have a Litecoin.
Crazy. And how many years has Litecoin been around?
Oh, right. Okay, right. Let's go into historical snapshots. You know what? Let's go in between this and historical snapshots. Okay, so. Fortunately, we can have a look at the historical snapshot of things. How convenient is that? So let's go on to the December 2013, way back then, right? So back then, the biggest cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, and the second biggest crypto was Litecoin, and the third biggest crypto was XRP. Okay, cool. Now, let's see if me and Mr. Harding know any of these coins. Right, I'm just ask Mr. Harding. Mr. Harding, do you know what Peercoin, Namecoin, Quark, Megacoin, BitShares, Feathercoin, and PrimeCoin are?
I've only ever heard of BitShares. I've heard of Namecoin as a scam and WorldCoin as a scam also.
All right, okay, fantastic. So I don't know any of these coins.
But look at the market cap of some of them that they got to before disappearing.
62. I mean, 62 million is not that crazy, like compared to now. But
back then
it was a lot. If we actually look at the total market cap. But anyway, there's a certain point that I want to make. Okay, so let me just go on for a second. So I don't know any of these coins. Okay, I don't know any of them. I just know that the Namecoin has been named as a scam, but I don't know any of these coins. So let's have a look at 2014. In fact, let's not remove. Oh my God! Right, let's not. Okay, you guys can see that. Let me. Where's the Bitcoin stock to flow ratio? One sec. This is all gonna link together. Okay, all gonna link together. Oh wait, no. I didn't want the Bitinfocharts. I wanted the stock to flow. Okay, this is why I wanted to talk about 3 different things at the same time, because they all link together. Stock to flow. Guys, once you tap into, I mean, I'm skimming over it here, but I'm giving you the education plug, right? when you tap into stock to flow, everything follows Bitcoin, then Ethereum, then altcoins. But currently altcoin season, comparing stock to flow with this data, with these snapshots, it's gonna say a lot, right? So, so 2012 was a Bitcoin halving, right? And then what happened between 2012 and 2015? Price went the price went parabolic in comparison. So like we're going from $10 Bitcoin. Look here, $10 Bitcoin in 2012, and in 2014 we're getting to 1,000. That's 100x. 100x. It's crazy, right? Oh my god. Right, 100x, and then the price corrected itself over here around the what is that, $300 mark or whatever before the next Bitcoin halving. So this is why these years are very important. Okay, so this is 2013, this is 2014. So at the end of 2014 / early 2015, Bitcoin was the biggest crypto, XRP was the second biggest crypto, Litecoin. So the top three are still the top three. Right, fantastic. The market caps increased. We've gone from $11 trillion Bitcoin to wait, what? 11. Oh, sorry, my bad. 11 billion. Oh my God, my eyes. 11 billion all the way up to 5 trillion. So that was a crazy year. 2013 to 2014 was a crazy year. We saw Bitcoin market cap literally 50x from 11 billion to 5. Are my eyes not working well? No. 11 billion to 5 billion. So it actually went down. My bad.
Yeah. So now go to 2018.
We will in a second. We will in a second. Right. So Bitcoin, XRP, Litecoin, Dogecoin. Now I'll be honest. If I understood on-chain metrics and I looked at these snapshots, I would have definitely got in Dogecoin early, but I didn't. I missed the boat, right? So shout out to everybody that looked at history. But everything else, NXT, Peercoin, Counterplay, Dash token's still about. Yeah. Namecoin's still there. XLM, that one's still about. All these coins are not about. YBC, what the hell's that? Feathercoin, DEX, okay? All these coins are not about. Then let's go into 2017. So the reason why I want to go 2017 is because so 2015 we saw okay, so 2015 we saw a correction, and then there was another halving, and it goes to a parabolic run. So let's go on to 2017. So 2017, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, which is a complete scam. I never bought Bitcoin Cash in my life because I don't like the CEO. XRP dash Litecoin, again, Litecoin still here, baby. Cardano, right, starts to make an appearance because wasn't it 2016 or 2015 when Charles Hoskinson left Ethereum to start Cardano? Monero, which is a privacy coin, Ethereum Classic, which is the original Ethereum, Stellar, XLM again. Shout out Harriet, you told me about XLM. I wish I had a bigger bag in it. But yeah, I'm happy with the XLM investment that I made a while ago. But Dogecoin down here, for those that don't know, Dogecoin is basically linked to Litecoin. Back in the day when people used to mine Litecoin with relative ease, they could also mine Dogecoin with almost no extra work. So a lot of Litecoin owners or Litecoin
basic attention token, Tia coin.
Okay, we got a BAT over here. We've got Kai the network. Oh, we talked about that. Digibyte still around. Civic is still around. Really great CEO. I think Civic will do well. Metaverse ETP. Don't know what that is. But most of these coins are not in the top 100. Okay, then let's go to 2018. Okay, I'm gonna spit the punchline in a second. 2018. Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, scam. EOS, Litecoin, Tether. I don't know much about Bitcoin SV. I swear the whales just keep money in Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV because this is a scam. And Bitcoin SV, I'm not too familiar with. Tron, Monero. Okay, so we starting to see things with some long-term value, right? Neo, VeChain, Dogecoin making it again. I wish I got in Dogecoin early. Basic attention token. I own no Dogecoin, by the way. I've never bought it in my life. Chainlink. Okay, Stratus Golem. Never heard of these. Okay. Mana. Okay, Theta. Basically decentralized YouTube. KuCoin. Amazing.
Next one.
All right. Okay, so we're starting to see the ones that are lasting, right? History
Hopefully
repeats
the
itself.
ones that we've been mentioning, people have been writing notes and writing them down. They might make great investments, but that's not financial advice.
It's just entertainment. And see, this is fun. So 2019. Okay, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, great. XRP, great. Don't know why Bitcoin Cash is here. I really hate this project, but it's there. Litecoin. I don't judge anyone who buys Bitcoin Cash, by the way. Just make your gains. Just make sure you cash out into Bitcoin. You know, not financial advice when you make the profits. Binance Coin out here with 2 billion market cap. Amazing. What is it today? What is it today? 90. Amazing. Some 45x since 2018. Congratulations, anyone who got in crypto back then. I wasn't in it. Okay, so what else we got? Chainlink, amazing. Hollow, Decentraland. You just got to see what stands the test of time. This is why, right? Like, respectfully, I don't know what. I think Solana is a great project, okay? I'm not anti-Solana, but like, I found that Solana has created this new ecosystem of crypto fanboys and fangirls that are so pro Solana. It's like, why are you so pro something that just came out of nowhere?
It's not going to be here in 2 years' time. I want to be on record saying this.
Oh my
as
gosh.
soon as ETH 2.0 comes out, Solana is going to disappear.
Okay, I don't know. I don't know if it's going to disappear, but yeah, Mr. Harding said it. I'm not co-signing that. I'm very neutral. I don't invest in Solana, not because I don't think Solana is great. It's just that there's just so many coins. I've chosen not to.
Let me give you the breakdown on Solana.
Okay.
Solana is an Ethereum scaling solution. It's to help transactions and things move faster on the Ethereum network and to have cheaper gas fees. Ethereum 2.0 has cheaper gas fees. The network will move faster. So why would you pay extra to be on a network that does the same thing that you're on the network that it does anyway? That's like having an EE SIM card and paying to have a Lycra booster. Why would you do that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so there we go. Guys, like, it's so easy to hold on to hold on to these new ideas, but history repeats itself. History repeats itself, right?
Monero's still there.
Monero's still there. I don't have any Monero. Never bought it in my life. I do know it's a privacy coin though.
I think I might get some just because it's always there.
Bros, I swear down, anyone could have been rich if they just looked. I wish I had this game in 2020. When I really started crypto with summer 2020, all I had to do was just go to the past historical data of the past 2004, the past 5-6 years, and just copy the coins that lasted the test of time. Yep. Even Dogecoin, like now I think Dogecoin has matured to a level where, I don't
it's not going anywhere. It's definitely not going anywhere.
Not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. There's gonna be Dogecoin metaverse, which is crazy. I'll talk about that in a second. But yeah, again, most of these coins nowhere to be seen. 2020, okay, not so long ago. Way back when Ethereum was $587. What beautiful times. December 2020 is when I started really.
How much was Binance then?
Binance coin was very cheap, $30.
Oh.
Back in day, 11 months ago, seems like so long ago now. So we're starting to see some things, like coins being a top 10 cryptocurrency for a very long time. Will Litecoin get back to top 10? Maybe. It's not financial advice though. It just keeps going in top 10 in the past decade. So Bro, no one talks about Litecoin like I talk about Litecoin. No one loves my baby like I love it. Okay, cool. So we're starting to see some maturity in the market. We recognize most of these coins in the top 100. Most of them are still here today. Will all of them be here by the end of the bull run? I don't know. A lot of these are going to go. So that's 2020. So that just brings us on to modern day. So what did we learn from all those snapshots? We learned that historically speaking, okay, I'm sorry, there's a huge community that loves Solana so much, like just came out of nowhere. Then all of a sudden people are saying like Solana's going to overthrow Ethereum. It's not. I'm not going to do that. I don't care how fast the transactions are. You know why? Because the whales decide what is the top 10. The whales have decided to keep Bitcoin Cash, unfortunately. They decided to keep Ethereum Classic alive as well, unfortunately. But yeah, just the reason why I say all of this to say this, please have an exit strategy when it comes to this altcoin season. I might be giving away too much because I still want people to buy the paid replay, but I have exited most of my large positions to go into altcoins with the intention of going back into my large positions, including but not limited to Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are the ultimate stores of value, and then getting more Bitcoin, Ethereum that I'm left with. And then if we go into some kind of bear run, I'll probably cash out a good amount of Bitcoin, Ethereum into USDC, which is my favorite stable coin. Not USDT. Mr. Harding, why do you not like USDT or blockchain Sensei? We don't like the stable coin.
Because they be lying. They be lying saying that every dollar that's in USDT is matched for a US dollar. It's not. It's matched to bombs, the junk bombs.
And hasn't CEO done a little 10 toes recently?
Yeah, and the CEO disappeared. Coincidentally, a month after I said that something might happen to USDT.
In fact, yeah, so USDC is super legit as far as we know so far, according to our opinion, which is not financial advice. It's owned by Coinbase, and then we also really like BUSD, which is just the Binance.
USDC is not going anywhere.
Anywhere. Nowhere. Okay, so super quick review again. So for the latecomers, I started off this lesson talking about the Bitcoin stock to flow model, which is a basic theory. So this line here is a theory of the price of Bitcoin and where it's going to go. So according to the stock to flow model, Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million by 2026. Okay, now I like to be very conservative. So I say 2028. And you know, if I'm wrong, like the thing is at Blockchain Sensei, we like to be wrong when things happen faster than we say it is. We don't like to be wrong by saying things are going to get to this price by this time in our opinion, and it gets there later. When we're wrong, we're usually wrong because we're being conservative. So when we are wrong, it's like, oh, well, it happened sooner. So that's why I said by 2028. According to the stock to flow model, Bitcoin is going to go to $1 million by 2026. So, you know, you might want to consider, now is not the best time to buy Bitcoin, obviously, because it's at all-time highs. But for my people who want the game, really it's about having the exit strategy to go back into Bitcoin when altcoin season starts dying, or when your altcoins start quadrupling. Do you know what I mean? When it's there you go. Yeah. That's my housemate and my music manager, Amy. For those that don't know, I am also an artist. Check out my newest music video on YouTube. It's called No Joke Around. But anyway, yeah. So, just to review again, the stock to flow ratio is the theory that every single 4 years is what's called the Bitcoin halving, where miners get less reward, which historically speaking, every time there's a Bitcoin halving, the price shoots up. We've had 3 Bitcoin halvings. There'll be a Bitcoin halving every single 4 years until 2140. Now, let's say, for example, the price does get to $1 million by 2026. Well, it's going to start looking crazy by 2030, 2035. This is one of the scarcest assets on the globe. I don't care that it's slow. I don't care how much innovation is happening in cryptocurrency. I do care. But what I'm saying is nothing is overtaking Bitcoin anytime soon. And I'm also saying Shiba Inu is never going to 1 cent. Ever. It's never going to 1 cent. Okay? It's not doing 700x. Not in our lifetime, in my opinion. If I'm wrong, but you know, I'm not putting my bets there. I'm not paying attention. Historically speaking, the Bitcoin stock to flow ratio has been accurate enough-ish since 2011. So I think we can run with this data. And then, as you can see, when it's blue, it means that the halving's happening or around the corner. When it's red, it means the halving's far away. The last halving was in 2020. Next one will be in 2024. Again, now we are under the stock to flow ratio. Historically speaking, when we've gone under, we've gone over. We've gone under, we've gone over. Do I think we're gonna get back on track? Yes, I do. So Bitcoin to 100K, hopefully by let's say this year. I don't know. What do you think, Mr. Harding? Do you think we're going to get to 100K this year? That's a big question. I don't think we are.
Nah, I think we're good. I think everything's on track.
Yeah? All right, fair enough. Like, I just had this theory that we'd get to like 96K, and then like, because like the world's like, oh, we almost got there, and then just pull back by like 15% or whatever. Let's see. Can we search for Solana? Is Solana here? Let's have a look at Solana very quickly. People like this coin. I don't dislike this coin. It's just that I don't like it when new things come out and then it just builds like a super culty fan base. I'm just not about that. We need to look at history and just stop being emotional to the coins.
And people really need to look into something called a cognitive bias. It's the most important thing you can ever have.
Yes.
Is to look into what a cognitive bias is. Please go on Google. In fact, can we just quickly go on Google and type in cognitive bias and show people what it is?
Yeah. Remember, 50% of this game is mindset. If you don't work on this mindset, you'll never be super successful in this game.
So this is why we do these calls, to get people, hopefully, people will give us opposite ideas of what we're thinking.
A cognitive bias is a systematic pattern of deviation from norm or rationality in judgment. Individuals create their own subject reality from their perception of the input. An individual's construction of reality, not the objective input, may dictate their behavior in the world. Now, for any, I'm just saying Solana because this is like the new cryptocurrency that has a very weird culty fan base. All the culty Solana people look at historical data. It wasn't there and it appeared from nowhere. Mr. Harding thinks it's gonna crash. I don't know if it's gonna crash and go and disappear, but yeah, I just don't like.
I just don't see why they're gonna use it. Answer me this then, bro. Like, let's play a role play. You be the pro case for, you pretend to be a big whale investor, right? Yeah. So you've got 100 billion. So, yes. Mr. Investor, I know you've got 100 billion and you've currently got 10 billion in Solana, right? So we now know that you are interested in moving back all of your money over to Ethereum, being as Solana is currently doing the exact same thing that Ethereum 2.0 is now doing. And it's saving you time and money to just go back to Ethereum 2.0. Do you want to stay there, or do you want to go back to Ethereum 2.0, or do you want to stay with Solana?
I think I might take Solana profits, put it back in ETH.
Yeah, that would make sense. Oh yeah, and the other thing is, we've been on the ETH 2.0 with the amount that you've made in profit from Solana, you would now own multiple nodes in Ethereum.
There we go. There we go. You know what I want to have a look at real quick is I just want to have a look at the scam coins like Bitcoin Cash. Just want to know, like, why these technologies? Who's holding them? Who's holding 579 million of Bitcoin Cash? These whales are playing. Why would you own that? So interesting. Like, do you know one thing that I want to do in blockchain Sensei, because we've never done this, is like, and I've never seen anyone talk about this, like just a deep dive into why these, like, some shitty cryptos have lasted the test of time. Why is Bitcoin Cash and Ethereum Classic still here?
Money laundering.
Are they not shitty? Do they
Money
have something
laundering.
going on?
Money laundering.
I think I can give a little bit of insight into Bitcoin Cash if you'd like. I'll wait to the
Yeah,
end.
go on, drop the game.
Yeah, so Bitcoin Cash originated as a hard fork from Bitcoin because the devs, well, it was a split in the block size and how much basically can be added to a block at once, meaning more transactions can go through at once, essentially making it faster. But obviously the original Bitcoin is the original Bitcoin. So I was actually going to message you a theory that I had because now obviously there's the Bitcoin SV, Satoshi's Vision coin. But what I was kind of thinking was Bitcoin Cash today actually more closely aligned with that original vision of Bitcoin because of its fast speed and everything, that it actually enables it to be used like cash, which is what the original kind of vision was for, more of like a currency. So my theory is that that's why it's kind of held on to a little bit, because it is Bitcoin as Bitcoin was almost meant to be, and not a store of value for the whales, but as close to Bitcoin as you can get as an actual useful currency. Similar to like Ethereum Classic as well. Ethereum Classic kind of holds a lot of the original principles of Ethereum. So say something again happens to the mainstream Ethereum, there is always Ethereum Classic to fall back on. So I'm not too sure on Ethereum Classic in a way, but Bitcoin Cash holds some value because, yeah, it's Bitcoin as an actual more usable currency form as opposed to just a store of value.
Very interesting point to add on to the Ethereum Classic point that most people don't know is that they kind of overrided the fork and just manipulated it so that Ethereum would stay the main one and the Ethereum Classic would be created, because they just didn't like look into why Charles Hoskinson, Gavin Wood, why that happened and why Ethereum Classic ended up appearing. It's in the Gary Gensler course on YouTube. Definitely worth it.
There we go.
But George, that game was crazy, bro.
All right, okay. I think that
actually, let's just recognize George, because we owe George a lot of our gains, because this guy puts us on to some crazy coins that make some crazy gains. So shout outs to man like George Brown.
Shout outs to man like George Brown. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate
the new hairdo.
Thank you, live and respect.
Wait, Miss Harding, wait. You both got fresh hair. Come on, Mr. Harding. Come on.
Nah, I'm saving mine.
Oh, you got first cut, yo. Nah, share this, please.
No,
I'm saving it. You'll see it tomorrow.
Oh wow.
The world will see it. We'll see it on Wednesday, after a certain event on Wednesday in Manchester.
Ooh.
Say no more.
Say no more. Okay, so anybody got any questions with regards to stock to flow, on-chain metrics? I'm definitely not an expert in these things. I'm not an expert anyway, but I might not be able to answer your questions. But type in chat if you learn something with regards to stocks to flow, with regards to on-chain metrics and why they're important, and or if you got some value in looking at historical snapshots of the top 100 coins in the past 7 years. Type in chat. Oh, somebody unmute themselves.
Should we do
I
that?
fully learned from on-chain metrics.
Let's go through the unmutings anyway, because there's loads of new people.
Yeah.
So we'll go through the unmutings. Okay, so the way that this works, if you're new, we like to ask you for your feedback, something that you've learned, and then any questions that you have either regarding to everything you saw today or anything in the crypto space, or if you want to plug us on some research and want us to research something that you're looking at, or even look on the charts and give you a price prediction of where we think the thing that you're looking at will go to next, let us know. ideally, you most definitely want to be here next week, because next week is the Coinbase earnings report.
No way, they got a next one.
So we will unmute Samsonite. We've not seen you here before. Samsonite, thank you for attending the whole session. If you got any feedback, anything you're looking at, any questions?
Hey guys, it's Guy here. How you doing?
Hey there, Guy. How you doing, buddy?
Yeah, all good. Thanks for that. Really appreciate the tutorial. I'm really a virgin when it comes to crypto.
Welcome.
Complete newbie. One thing I'm struggling with that maybe you can help me out on is I'm with Barclays, and Barclays don't want me to spend money on crypto. So
Okay. So this is how you overcome that. First of all,
Get a new phone.
First of all, get a new bank, because we can't. There's no way to make Barclays agree with crypto. So a bank. I'm with HSBC, and I've had no problems.
I've just got a comment on that, because I'm with Barclays, and I've got no problem getting money into Coinbase, Swissborg, or Crypto.com. Which crypto platforms you've been trying to get money into?
Oh, I've tried Binance. I've tried. Well, what it is, I've got a business account. I haven't got a personal account, and Coinbase won't accept from a business account.
Yeah. So what I'd recommend then is get download Swissborg. We'll send you the referral link to it. It's the easiest and best platform for getting money into crypto and getting money out of crypto. So literally so easy to use. The money gets transferred in and out in like 2 seconds. And then from there, you can send money from Swissborg to other platforms like Binance and Coinbase and so on and so forth.
I'm gonna be a solution-based thinker, and I'm gonna give him your link right now, Mr. Harding. 1 second. I'm gonna drop that one in the chat. Okay, 1 sec.
Have you heard of Revolut?
Yep. I'm a massive advocate of Revolut. We're trying to get a partnership with them, actually, because we've referred tons of people to Revolut and to Free Trade. Revolut's probably the easiest platform for investing into stocks. Crypto, yes, you can invest in a range of cryptos on there, but it's very difficult to get your crypto off. So say, for example, I bought some XRP and some Bitcoin from my mum, and I sent it to her, and it's been sent to her phone number. So I was struggling to get it off her phone number. Whereas, it's not the one for crypto.
I'm gonna literally say, do not buy crypto from Revolut. I hate it. Right, for stocks, yes. Why? Because you have to respect that cryptocurrency is a digital asset, and it works like currency. So Revolut make it easy for you to buy crypto and sell the crypto for GBP onto your card. Cool. But they're not giving you the crypto. They're not that. If you actually want to move the Bitcoin or the Ethereum that you buy in the Revolut card, basically impossible.
You can do it in theory, but it's just not for beginners. So
it's not I found it confusing. So yeah, I'm gonna say don't buy crypto on Revolut. Anybody who hasn't got Swissborg, I've gave Mr. Harding's link. If you sign up with his link, please, and then when you deposit £50 or more, not immediately, just whenever, you'll both get free crypto on Swissborg worth up to 200 euros. So. You should be good for that, guy. Does that answer your question?
Yeah, that's great. Thanks for that, guys. I'll check it out.
No worries.
Please do feel free to give this link to anybody you know. This is a free session. This is not a secret. We also put the our replays onto YouTube. So if you could please subscribe to our YouTube and check it out at some point, we'd really appreciate that too.
Cool. Thanks, guys.
No worries. Next person to unmute would be Calm. Calm, you've been unmuted. Any questions, any feedback, anything you're looking at or want us to look at?
Oh, no.
As they say at our parent company, EYL, no fridge breaks.
Well, bad. It's because I'm on the move. But yeah,
Yeah, man. Shoot.
All right, show your face for a second, because you know we want to see people in here.
Let's see. I wanna,
Yes,
yeah.
come on.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, man. How you guys say, man? Good to see you guys, man.
Yeah,
Good
man.
to see you.
Yeah, I
man.
came in a little late, but what I caught though, you guys talking about USD being better to put the money in, but rather than the USDC.
100%. USDC way better than USDC.
Okay. And obviously, yeah, because that's still run by the Stellar blockchain as well, right?
Yeah, so USDC is run by Coinbase and the Winklevoss twins. If you don't know who the Winklevoss twins are, Google the Winklevoss twins.
Oh, no, I know them.
Rich family.
They're like, okay.
USDC ain't going
Nowhere.
Nowhere. Okay.
Yeah.
I see.
Say no more. Anything you're looking at the moment? Anything you want us to look at?
And the call engine was proper.
Okay, yeah, I can.
Do you think? I'll ask this as well though. Do you think certain coins that have already had a run will like go for like another run? If that makes sense.
Yep.
Oh, the run's not even started. NG coin wasn't a run. That was a little. That's all it was. Did it even hit all-time highs?
Nope. I'm gonna share the screen now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the TA on it.
And what happened after NG coin done that little 24-25% run? It pulled back by 10-15%. Sounds about right.
So, golden rule whenever you're looking at something, start on the weekly. So when we go on this weekly, we can see, look, what's it done? The wick got up to here, but that wasn't actually the all-time high. The all-time high was 3.996, almost 4. Now we can see here it got to 3.5. So yes, nice. It was a great trade. Congratulations to anyone that was part of our signal service that got in on that trade. Oh yeah, also in regards to the signal service, we've finished beta testing it now because the results have been phenomenal. And we're going to be now rolling it out for £20 a month to anyone who's interested in the month of November. More to come on that. But anyway, let's just look at this.
Wait. Let's not skip that. This is the first time we're ever saying this. Guys, a signaling service where we tell you our trades, £20 a month. Message me, Mr. Harding. She wants that. We've not. That's the first time we've ever said that. We're saying it live on this call. Signaling service, £20 a month. Let me know who wants that, and then we'll sort you out. We're going to be increasing the price.
Yeah. So, Engine Coin, according to the fib, should at least be getting to at least $6.96. I haven't got any other markings on this for some reason. I normally have more markings on my things that I'm looking at. But the highest absolute, if everything goes batshit crazy, then we're looking at around $16. I would take profit at 15. I would take some profit. I'm personally going to be taking profit at around 5 and around 16, just because me and Ninja have been in Engine since
a while.
Quay, a very, very, very long time, and we've been
Quay is in 2021. Like, no, let's not lie. NG Coin's been a project since 2009.
Yeah, but 2021 was here, bro. This is
I know. Yeah. We've rode Engine Coin all the way up, made crazy gains, and continue to make gains, and trade it as well.
Yeah. So I think this is one to watch out for personally. So great question. So we will go.
Yeah, man, thanks for that, man.
No worries. Next, we'll go to Nate because we don't have you here all the time, buddy. Nate, you've been unmuted. Any questions? Anything you're looking at? Any feedback? Anything you want us to look at? Oh, has Nate just disappeared? Oh, no, you're there.
Man. No, I'm here, bro. Finally got my ass in. So I'm just trying to take it all in, to be honest. You know, I've still got a lot to learn, basically from basics up. So just trying to take it all in.
Nah, no worries, no
I
worries.
will have further questions, but for now, I'm just trying to be a sponge.
Nah, no worries, broski. Highly recommend you get our ebook then if you're a beginner or if you're new to it. Get the ebook, it'll help explain a lot. Then if you're interested in some lessons, just drop us a message and we're happy to help you get started and navigate the space.
No problem. Thanks, bro. We'll do.
No worries, broski. Then we will go to the non-regulars. So we've got Mr. Josh McKenzie, who's in the gym. What are you saying, Mr. Josh McKenzie? Let's see if he's banging weights.
Hello. I'm in the gym.
Yes,
but
yes.
I'm still plugged in. The fact I even done.
Help me well,
just do my 52 kg light work.
Light work.
You know what it is, you know, I mean, healthy in the gym, healthy. But yeah, to come out, because there's been a few coins that I've been trying to get on like a MetaMask and stuff that I've been trying to convert to, and the gas prices have just been stupid. Like sometimes what I'm trying to buy, the gas price has been the same price as what I'm trying to buy, so I'm basically buying double the amount. Like it's just been crazy. So hearing that 2.0 is going to come out is good, because I was actually looking into Solana as well, and looking to kind of go through their platform when it comes to not just obviously buying coins, but even when it comes to like NFTs. I was going to go through the Solana platform. But if 2.0 is going to be what I'm hearing it's going to be, then that's something I'm looking to go into even deeper. And obviously the course that you mentioned, obviously, Michael, I messaged you before about it. But I'm excited to see what that can bring, because I saw some of the results. And I'm just every single time I plug into a call, I'm just more excited to go all in to crypto. From my perspective anyway, I was doing business before. Now I work full time. I do business as well. But my goal is to make the majority of my income through crypto, NFTs, and this new space that is coming out. Seeing the metaverse, excited about that. So there's all of these things combined right now, and then with these calls happening, and with hearing all this information, if anything, it's just raised my belief, knowing that I'm on the right path, and that this is something that's gonna, last. Maybe 2017, I was a bit worried. Oh shit, it's gone down. No one's involved anymore. But now, even if it drops down to 50% on all the points, I know this is the future. So these calls just give me more confidence. Just keep going. I'm following that goal to my first 6 and then 7 figures in this crypto market, which I know.
Yes. Bro, I like that you even said first 6, 7 figures. I'm trying to hit my first 6 figures. The only one thing that I'm going to say about, I agree with 100% everything you're saying, except one thing that I'm going to challenge you on. You said you want to make the majority of your income through cryptocurrency. I'm not saying that's not possible, but I'm saying, in my opinion, that's not the best goal, because you said the word income, right? I believe cryptocurrency is the best opportunity in human history to build your wealth. And I think like the best strategy, this isn't the best strategy for everyone, but I know almost nobody that makes a living off cryptocurrency trading, but I know people that have flipped their wealth by 5, 10x through cryptocurrency. So I think, in my opinion, like it's always good to have a business income stream and then learn, because I mean, you do business, obviously. I always tell people, first and foremost, I'm not an investor. I'm first and foremost a businessman who figures out how to solve problems. And then with my business income, I invest that into cryptocurrency. And when I trade, because me and Mr. Harding trade as well, we trade with the mindset of increasing our portfolio. So I actually don't trade for income. I trade mainly to increase my portfolio. But I believe the structure of doing business, right? This is why I tell people, like, I don't live off the markets. I could maybe, but that'll be a very stressful life. What I do is I focus first and foremost on business, doing good business, generating income, and then using that income into investments and trading to increase my portfolio. I believe that's the best mindset. I don't believe anybody should be looking to make an income off crypto.
Yeah, no, maybe I need to like rephrase. Like, obviously, my goal is to still work. Obviously, still build my business, because it is going quite well as well. And that's income that's streaming as well. But when I say majority of my income, I mean obviously for the income I make from my business, if you can then make a return on that, that's even bigger. That's what I mean by majority, like as far as just investments wise.
Yeah.
But not in a sense of, okay, I'm gonna, start trading crypto full time. Obviously, I understand there's multiple different things that I'm good at anyway, which can generate income. But just obviously the space in general, I obviously see it as the future. And I know, like moving forward, let's say next 5-10 years, I know that's somewhere where I'm gonna be making a lot of income through investments anyway.
Yeah, man. That's it, bro.
Absolutely.
Obviously, bro, I'm gonna plug you on whatever I'm doing, bro. You know this, bro.
Just add the cherry on top with regards to that. I think if anyone here is business savvy, one of the best trades you can make is trading some of your time, energy, attention, whatever you've got going on in your life, and then look how you can be involved in crypto space business, even if it's as simple as accepting crypto payments for your business.
Yep, defo. So yeah, I just found the post that I was talking about. So I'm just going to share that on the screen. So this is our #1 student, he who will not be named until you book in lessons with him. So this is just proof in the pudding of the kind of results that people can get when they work with us. Now, also, we want to highlight this. Look, not every day is a winning day. As you can see, a loss of £185 today, but not every day is a winning day. However, the 30-day profit and just this account is £3,000. In his other account, if you add it all up, his total is 6,400 this month alone. So this is our #1 student who's smashing it. And as you can see, he was homeless in 2015 and he's making more than double his job income from crypto in 2021. And he started in March 2021. So guys, it's not a joke when what we're saying to you guys. And this is why we charge what we charge, because people are changing their lives. So what we're going to do is going to keep having questions for another 15 minutes. So we will go to, again, people that aren't here usually. So Josh, how you doing, broski? Long time.
Hi guys, how you doing?
Oh, good. What you saying, broski?
Yeah, I know I don't come here a lot. I try. I'm always busy, to be honest, but I got my promotion at work. So
yes, bro, more peas.
So more peas, and I was like, you know what? Let me just jump back into the game. But appreciate you. Definitely one thing.
Can you just show your face?
No, I will show my face. I'm chefing. That's why it's sweaty in this kitchen.
Oh, okay, no worries.
I'm chefing.
Do you know why I iterate showing your face? Because we publicly tell people we're a Black and Asian owned business. Look at the demographic of people in this place.
It's true.
Everyone's welcome, but I love the fact that it's actually, we've never even addressed throughout the whole year, and I'm going to say it here, that as a proud Black and Asian owned business, that we publicly say this, the majority of our client base and attention base are ethnic minorities. Everybody's welcome, but I love that. You know what I mean? That we attract people that look like that look like us. But yeah, Josh. So sorry, did you purchase the top 10 altcoins, right?
Yes, I did. I got the replay. I was busy on Friday. Yes, I've reacted to it.
And was that worth £15?
Yeah, already. But yeah, it's definitely worth it for sure, 100%. But yeah, I think like especially what I'm learning now is that once you get like a good information like that, like how to handle it. So especially how do you guys like track like your when this coin gets to 150? Obviously, like you guys look at your coins every single day and you look at prices every single day, but how do you automate that process? Because I'm not going to check. I think I'm in like 16 coins roughly.
Sell orders.
Yeah.
Okay. That way you don't have to check. If you got your sell orders in, if it hits that price, you're out and you're in cash. If it doesn't hit that price, you're still waiting for it to hit that price. Then that way, every now and again, you go to your account. You're like, oh, sick, that one's gone through. Oh, okay, cool. I can either keep some of this, spend some of this, pull it into stocks, or go back into the same thing or into a different crypto asset.
And
but remember, as we said in that video, like I literally explained, I got into these, I sold big positions, for example, Bitcoin, into another coin. And when this coin gets to this price, I'm going to start chipping back into Bitcoin. And it's not going to get to that price immediately because I'm only cashing out after 3x. So I don't need to check every day because the coin's not going to triple in a day. Like it's going to take.
Well, well, Bitcoin's not going to triple in a day, but let me just let me just show.
Okay, I mean they generally don't triple in one day. the altcoins that I'm in.
So this is some of the things from the Signal service.
I remember the Uniswap trade.
Yeah,
Good
people
one.
say it's safe to say that kind of tripled in a day.
Wait, Uniswap tripled in a day? When did it triple?
Not Uniswap, DREP.
Oh, DREP. Okay, I don't know what this is.
Absolutely stonked it.
Right.
Mana, as we know, also absolutely stonked it. But this was on the daily. It was absolutely doing madness.
It tripled.
Tripled, bro. Look
What?
at it. Bro,
I didn't know that happened.
Yeah, this thing absolutely murdered it, bro.
Mana tripled in a day. Oh, Jesus.
Mana did a 4x in one day.
Whoa, what?
And this is what I've been saying, bro. How long have we been telling people about Mana? We've been putting Mana on. We've been telling people about Mana on here and on our weekly watch lists and on our monthly watch lists since
Wow. So basically, Mana, like, what was that like? The whales just swam in and just put in 20 billion and swam out in a day.
Yeah, why? Why though? Think about it. What got announced around this time? Facebook Metaverse.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
I should have had that sell order in. I didn't have a forex sell order setting for Mana. That's crazy.
Bro,
I missed that one.
Yeah, things can do 100% in a day. Don't look at that on you. Don't sleep on it, bro. Like people be tripping thinking they don't happen.
Okay, there we go. I'm wrong. Top 100 altcoins go triple in a day, or quadruple. Fantastic.
Cool.
It's not normal though, but it's obviously happened in recent times that I didn't know about.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use that. That's good. I think
sell orders though, yeah.
With this extra support, I need to, as I said, I'm gonna talk to you then. So I'll talk to you soon.
Nice.
Yeah, much love, man. Appreciate you.
Love, bro, love. All right, next up, man like Terrell Ivy Low, who's always got a good question for us. Man like
hello.
What are you saying, bro?
I'm glad you called me because I thought I'd miss out and I got a good question for you guys
You've
today.
always got a good question, bro. Always.
No, today I'm actually excited, to be honest. I'm going to be so honest with you. I'm actually excited because I've been hearing things about this for a good while, and it's only just kind of been confirmed. So I just want your guys' opinions on Wrapped XRP and what you think will happen with the announcement.
Yes, yeah. I'm not gonna lie. When I heard about Wrapped XRP, I thought, yeah, XRP is gonna start moving bullish now.
Because it hasn't been moving bullish for like the whole year, really.
Yeah.
That and Stellar, and now that it's coming out, I'm wondering what you guys think will be happening with both of the two.
Okay, so I'm not gonna sit here and say it's just randomly going to the moon.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
But when I heard when I saw that information, like obviously XRP haven't won the court case yet, but that's indicating to me that things are moving in the court case, because why else would there be a wrapped XRP? A wrapped XRP, and I just see that as bullish news for XRP, and it's something that I'm not going to say it's ready to explode. Like I don't think XRP is going to go to $10 anytime soon. I don't think the market cap's going to match, because in order for XRP to 10x, it needs to match Ethereum's market cap, right? And also the circulating supply. There's a lot that's off. So I've not done any TA in XRP for a while. Mr Harding can load up his little chart, but I just see it as something bullish, especially because it's just ready to move. Like it's been just pretty static throughout the year. So I do think we're going to smash all-time highs for. What I do think is I believe we're going to smash all-time highs for XRP during this bull run.
Yep. So my take on XRP and wrapped XRP, Terrell, and anyone that wants to answer this, what does it mean to have a wrapped version of a token?
That's more usable, would you say?
You could say that, but what's the process of it being wrapped? Do you understand what it means when it's wrapped?
The actual process, no, I don't understand that.
So it means that it's that token, but on a different network. The price for that thing is attached to a different network. So it's
so
basically,
XRP is going to be on Ethereum, isn't it?
yeah. So it means that what's actually going to happen with the wrapped XRP, people are going to buy XRP wrapped in Ethereum, which means that when the XRP goes up, their Ethereum goes up.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is your prediction basically that with the wrapped XRP, what's going to happen is not only is XRP going to go bullish, but Ethereum as well?
Yep, because if the right amount of players get into wrapped XRP, inevitably it will drag Ethereum with it.
Yeah, and
Which
you know what? The reason why I'm so
coincides with my theory about what I said about what Shiba Inu is really being used for, which is to burn Ethereum supply.
okay, I'm not gonna lie, that bit confuses me. I'm gonna have to look into that myself.
Okay, so at the moment, Shiba Inu has the highest amount of transactions out of any blockchain going. It has more transactions than Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. But it's an Ethereum-based token. So that means every single transaction on it burns ETH supply. Thus, that is why the gas fees on Ethereum are so high at the moment.
Okay, I hear that. Yeah, makes sense.
So if there's then wrapped XRP, what's going to happen to the ETH gas prices?
Yeah, and it's gonna burn some more. So yeah,
it's going to burn more. And then on top of that, not only is it going to be getting dragged by XRP, but it's going to be burning supply at a crazy rate, thus making the value of ETH do what?
skyrocket.
Yep. So traditionally, and again, if you go and look at the history books, the one thing that ever flips ETH is XRP. The one thing that tends to happen in the cycles is that XRP tends to be the last token or last thing to go. So when XRP goes, that normally signals the end of the run. So just note that I've said that.
That's
And actually,
so much game. When XRP starts to go through a bull run, usually indicates the end of altcoin season. What a fucking bar.
I saw you guys using the snapshot thing as well, and when I was looking through it, I saw seeing XRP actually doing that, going to number 2, going to number 3 consistently, always going up there. But nowadays it's number 7, it's number 5, number 6. It's dropped off a little bit, and it's obviously, we know it's because of the SEC court case and everything like that, and that's why I'm so excited about this as well, because I can see everything wrapping up right now.
That's the one.
Wrapping up with wrapped XRP.
Exactly. Come on.
Good spot. Good question.
Good question. So final question we will have from Zishan. Do you want to ask anything before we go to Aaron?
Hey guys, no, I don't want to ask anything. I just wanted to say, I just wanted to tell you what happened. So the token BAT, it had like a 60% gain the other day. So
I didn't see that. Well, yesterday. No.
Yeah, in the last 7 days, and so prior to that, I put some money in there and cashed out quite at the high. Just thought I'd share that. Same with Engine Coin as well. It had like 25% gain. Cashed out my profits into BTC.
Did you get them from the signal service?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, that trade went through.
Bro, get them are going through, bro. The algo doesn't fail, bro.
There we go, guys. Signaling service. Who wants it? All our trades.
So yeah, man, bro. Thank you for that feedback, bro. Because people needed to hear that.
They do.
They do need to hear that. So let's go to Mr. Aaron Mcmuffin. He's also on our signal service. How you doing, buddy?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah. What's good, bro?
Yes, sir.
I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm loving the signal service because literally, like, all of mine went through as well.
Boom, 100%.
Yes.
That's mad.
You literally make your money back on a signal service on the actual trades that you win, which has been all of them so far.
But you make it off one trade.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, literally.
Yeah.
But I haven't got any questions for tonight. Actually, I was just soaking it in or taking all the knowledge.
Sick. Have you watched our top 10 altcoin thing?
On YouTube.
No, it's on our bio, the £15 one.
Oh no, I haven't seen that yet. No.
You are gonna love that. If anyone I know is gonna love that, it's you. It's you, bro. You're gonna have a field day with that.
Oh man, I want it.
The thing is with that video is one sec. The thing is with this video is time sensitive. So not to push anyone, but the information is not going to be as valid as it is now in 2 weeks. And like, this is how you know the popularity of the video. Like if we, this video is being, the video has 40 views since the 30th of October, which is matching or exceeding the public views.
Yeah, that's mad. And also that also has price predictions on all of the coins, not only from mine and NinjaTea, but also from the algo as well.
Ooh.
I also share with, so I've said this publicly, I've sold most of my Bitcoin and Ethereum with the intention of going back, and I say in this video what altcoins I sold them into and what prices I'm looking to take profits at to go back into Bitcoin and Ethereum.
And there is some naughty altcoin gems in there.
But did you have a question, sorry?
Who me?
Yeah.
No, I've just been taking it all in today. I bought your PDF though, because it's just good to have like reminder as well, like what crypto is all about.
Yeah, give it someone as a Christmas present.
That would be a good Christmas present. Not gonna lie.
It would be. Let's go take a question. Thank you very much, Aaron. Let's take a question from. I'm guessing that's Dol Gurung, Gurung Society Kent. I'm guessing that's you, bro. Dol, is that you? You've been unmuted. Nope. No worries then. Let's go to last but not least. I think the final person would be Deco.
Yo, yes, lots of you saying.
What are you saying, broski? You're good?
I'm good, bro. I'm good.
Good. Any questions? Any feedback? Anything you're looking at?
Nah, it's been a mid session as usual, to be honest, lads. Just been taking it all in, learning.
Sick.
Also, resounding to know that I did actually get 1.5 Litecoins today and it wasn't a waste.
Yes, bro. Come on.
So, you know.
This is why you have to look at fundamentals and you can't just rely on previous price pumps.
No,
like I literally showed you history. Do you know what I mean?
Man, showing the game.
Bro, you bought I'm very aware that you're one of the people who bought the replay.
Yeah.
Have you watched it?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
No,
do you get value?
More than that, bro.
Come on, my guy.
Come on,
my guy. Appreciate you, man.
Let's just have a quick little close off with where's my LTC on here? Where's my LTC? Oh, there we go. Let's have a quick close off with my price prediction on this. So I'm gonna say I'm not even gonna do it that accurate. I'm gonna do it freestyle. Oh, okay. 346.
Oh, you're not sharing your screen, bro.
Oh shit, am I not?
No.
I'm sick. Final one. 346.
We appreciate the story shares as well on Instagram, you know what I mean?
Of course, bro. Of course, man.
Yeah, or it'll get to 677. What's the current market cap of this?
Litecoin, 11 billion, 13 billion. Let me just check. It's low. 13 billion.
13 billion?
Yeah, tiny.
What? Is that it?
Yeah. Sleeping
So you're
giant.
telling
mate.
me this thing to do a 2.5x needs to get to not even 50 billion?
If it gets to 39 billion, that's a 3x. So yeah, that may be around 50 billion, which is quite easy because Shiba Inu hit 42 or something.
All right, I'm taking it back. I think this thing might hit a grand then.
This is why I say Litecoin to 1K.
Yeah, I think it might easily. This might actually do a 10x.
No, not 10. 5. Let's relax.
Oh yeah, 5. So
it's not Litecoin to 2K anytime quite soon. I don't think.
If it gets to a grand, that's 400%. So
yeah,
very possible. All right, guys, thank you very much for tuning in as per usual. You know, we love doing this. We appreciate you guys coming. Oh, there was a question then.
Oh, quick one. Samsung site.
Yeah, just in that. I have a question, please, and thank you for the great advice, insight. What is the best cryptocurrency to send from platform to platform when the bank isn't let you send fiat or the platform doesn't accept GBP? Please, XRP, in my opinion.
Yeah, XRP is the best cryptocurrency to move between platforms. It's fast and very, very cheap. The price is 0.25 XRP, usually on centralized platforms. 0.25 XRP is 27 cents. So it's very cheap.
Yeah, it's like 15p.
Yeah,
so,
very quick as well.
Nice. Right, guys, thank you very much. Please subscribe on YouTube. Please watch back all previous episodes. Thank you very much. We've been Blockchain Sensei, and you've been the best.
Absolutely. And yes, Samson. This episode will be on YouTube soon. Like, subscribe, comment on YouTube, and PDF out now. £15 replay out now for top 10 altcoins. You will most likely make your money back, no financial advice. And also signaling service, first time you heard it here, let us know. We will literally broadcast all our trades and price predictions for the rest of Q4. So thank you very much everybody for attending. Please do share this link with a friend, and you are very welcome, much appreciated. Take care, guys. Until next time.
Thanks, guys.
See you later. Bye.